So hello friends, my name is Kajal Zulekhaniyar and welcome back to my channel. And those who are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you do really like my content and appreciate my work, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share with your friends also. So today I will be doing a review on Sugar Company's Contour Day Force Face Palette, palette number 2, that is Vivid. Here is the package. And the net weight of this product is 12 gram. It has a longevity of 2 years. I will let you know about other informations also. So here the packages come, and at the back every details of the product is mentioned at the back. Here it's all the details. It says about the ingredients and blush ingredient, bronzer ingredient, highlighter ingredient, the net weight, where it is formulated in Italy, it's a cruelty free product, and where it has been manufactured, and its price is $7.99. And here is the main product. At the back side there is a manufacturing date and the expiry date is mentioned, and where it is manufactured, and nothing more. Basically all the details are mentioned on this cover. So I will open it for you people. Here it is. So here it is. Here's the bronzer or contouring one, highlighter, and this is the blush, and it comes with a mirror. So it's very travel friendly one. If you're going out, you can easily carry. You don't need to carry bronzer or contour or blush or highlighter separately. If you carry this one, all your problem is solved. 3-in-1 box, and most importantly, you have also a mirror. This is one of the good thing about this product. The Sugar Company has did the best thing. You don't need a mirror extra. You can easily apply your blush, contour, and highlight your face easily with the help of a mirror and 3-in-1 place. So it's very travel friendly packet, and I think it's quite affordable one. Since it's a good brand, you can invest in this brand, and it's quite good. You can see my palette is little bit messy because I have been using this product for quite long before doing the review about this product, because I want to test it for myself whether it is good or what the review or not. So that's why I did it, and I will let you know about it, and I will give you a live demo and how to apply this palette. And so it has a 2 variant. This one is the second one, that is the Vivid Victory, and the first palette is your Subtle Summit, because I wanted this palette from a long time and it was not available neither in Nykaa, nor Purple, not in even Amazon, and not even on their website also. So after for months searching about this palette, finally I got hold of this palette, and I'm so excited to use it with you people, and I'm really satisfied with the product. If you ask me, I'm using this product for quite a long time and I'm loving this. Firstly, I'm going to swatch the 3 things, the bronzer, highlighter, and the blush on my hand, so you can have a closer view about the product and how pigmented it is. So this is the contour, bronzer, highlighter. So you can see it's such a good highlighting, soft, shimmery, and it's just too good. And the third one is the blush. This shade bronzer, this is basically bronzer shade, and not for the if you want to going for a light contouring, then this one is good. Not for this one, this color is not for heavy contouring, because since it's a lighter in color, and for daily basis and for daily makeups and going out, then we just lightly contour our face. Not a heavy contouring is needed. For that purpose, this one is good. Otherwise, for if you want to show the heavy contouring effect, then this is not the ideal one, since it's light in color and not dark. And for people on the deeper skin tone, you can use this one as a bronzer basically, because it won't since the color is light and it won't match to their skin tone, so it won't act as a contour, but it can act as a bronzer definitely. So for that purpose it's the good one, and it give you a little bronze effect, sun-kissed effect. So then you can go for this palette. Loved one. I just love their highlighter. It's so good. This molten golden champagne type color, I just love this one. And the blush, This is also very good. It's quite pigmented and it's built up. Let's start with the demo. Swatches are done and I'm going to do a demo. Since I have done my basic makeup, as you can see, so I'm just going to apply the contour or bronzer and highlighter and the blush. These three are left to do. Using an angular brush for the bronzing contour purpose. Dust off the extras and let's get started. I don't know whether you will be it's visible or not in the camera, so I will do the nose one. I hope you got the nose one I did doing close up, so you could understand the effect of it. So now I will be applying the blush. So I will be taking this fluffy brush to apply blush. Or you can put the amount of it, tap it, smile and put on your blush. As you can see, it's quite pigmented. I don't know whether it's visible on the camera or not. So I'm going to put another layer. So apply a little extra in excitement. Anyway, let's put this up. As you can see, I have put a lot more blush on my cheeks. And with this palette, I got a mini blush free. So I'm going to apply this blush on this cheek and show you the color. And this is Contour de Force Mini Blush 03 Mauve Marble. And the ingredients are given at the back. And it's separately, if you buy it, cost around $349, and it's longevity of 3 years. Quite good. Here it's the package. So cute little blush. I love the package of this one, mini one. So here it is. I have used this one also. It's a beautiful subtle color, mauve. So I'm going to dust the previous blush from this brush and apply this one. I wish it has a mirror also to check it out. Anyways, let's check this one. Let's take this one and use the same mirror. As you can see, it's just a subtle color, not a very dark or something. For regular wear or day makeup, this kind of blush is just perfect. I'm going to apply a little more and show you the color exactly. So I'm putting all extras on my cheeks. As you can see, it's a very light and give you subtle color and not very dark, and it's all pigmented. It's quite pigmented and buildable. One thing, pigment, and this one, it's for if you're going out in the evening or for wedding purpose. This blush is that for that purpose. Even you can use this one for morning or office going, but you need to apply it little consciously. Too much will give you too much color on your cheeks, so little amount of it use a little amount of it and put on your cheeks and you are good to go. So it's up to you how you will apply the blush. It's all in your hands, how you can control yourself from using not too much but less product. So this is it with my two cheeks with two colors. I didn't did the swatch of this one, no? I will do it. So basically hold my hands. Use my little finger. Here it is. Here is the package. All the details, ingredients are mentioned over here. If you lose this package, you don't know about anything about this, because at the back of the product there is nothing mentioned except the expiry day, manufacturing day, and where it is manufactured by whom. So all the details are here. Now comes the highlighting part. Let's do the highlight. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to tap it in the middle, press it in the middle, and make it a little fan. Since I don't have a fan brush, I'm going to use it like, see? So take the highlighter. My hair. God. Wow, such a beautiful color. Apply on the bridge of my nose. It will give a little shiny effect on your face, and I just love their highlighter. It's really good. Cupid of your lips to highlight your cupid bone of your lips, then your brow bone. And good to go. I will highly recommend you to try this palette. It's cost $7.99 and 3 things: blush, bronzer, contour or highlighter, all at $7.99. It's quite affordable, quite pocket friendly, and for the beginners you must try this one. This is a very good one to invest first on this one before buying separate bronzer, contour and blush and highlighter. So this is a very beginners friendly package, I must say, and it's most importantly you can take it up, and the packaging is quite travel friendly. You can just put inside your bag. It has a mirror, so no need of carrying extra mirror, extra product. 3-in-1 face palette. It's quite a good one product. I just love all the 3 things are quite pigmented, buildable, and that's it. So here is my Sugar Contour D4 Face Palette. I will share the link of the product in my description box, so those who want to try this palette and check it out for themselves, whether it is good or not, or whether you like it or not, so you can click on the link and get it for yourself. Since sales are going on everywhere, you can easily grab this beauty if you find it. And I hope it's not out of stock, because most of the time this palette, Vivid Victory, especially stays out of stock. The other palette is always available. I have seen it for myself. So it's very hard to get hold of this Vivid Victory palettes. I wish you all luck if you find it for yourself. So do check the description box for the link of this product. I will share the link of this mini blush also in the description box. If you want to try this one also, you can get it for yourself also. So this is the end, and I hope you find this video helpful and useful while purchasing your blush, highlighter or contour, bronzer, anything. So really suggest you to get hold of this sugar palette. And those who are watching this video who have already used this palette, then do let me know about your opinion in the comment section below. I will be eagerly waiting for your reply, because I get very few comments in the comment section to create a discussion. So it will be really helpful to share your views with me, so I can also improve my video. If you like it or not, whether it's good or bad, please share your opinion. I will be really delighted to know your viewpoints on this product. And those who have already used this product, please share your view, how you liked the video, what thing you didn't like about this palette, whether it's contour, highlighter or blush. So share your opinion with me. So see you all, so this is it, and see you all in my next YouTube video. Till then, goodbye, love you all.